Okay, great. So the recording has started and we are good to go. But one more thing, guys. As I told you earlier, please wait for 1 or 2 minutes in case if I get disconnected. Okay. So it's been a long that we have taken our last class on I guess 14th of August, and it's been 20 days. So I was on leave and I went to my hometown, so that's why we couldn't take classes. But I will make sure that I will take more often classes, not only on weekends. I will try to take classes on weekdays as well. So can you please let me know that if you guys are available on weekdays 9:15 to 10:15, 9:15 से 10:15 के बीच में अगर हम क्लास ले सकते हैं वीकडेज पे, तो अगर if you guys are available I can plan it for you. Are you available? Okay, okay, Raman is available. And what about you, Shardul? Can we take classes on weekdays? Okay, good. So if you two are available, and if others can join as well, so that would be a great thing for us, so that we can complete our syllabus in a defined time schedule, right? So I'm planning to take aptitude classes, as well as Law Prakash sir will be taking mathematics classes, and we are going to um, continue this our technical subjects on weekends. Okay. So yeah, without further wasting time, let me just present my screen. And today's our topic is, or what we can say, today's our subject is digital electronics. So I guess in the last class you both were present, and we have seen a few basic things from digital electronics, that is number system and logic gates. So in today's class, what we are going to do, we are going to deal with Boolean algebra, and we are going to reduce the equations or solve the equations which are Boolean equations. Okay. So the first thing, or the last thing I would say, in the last class we have seen was sum of products and product of sum, POS and SOPs, that we have seen in the last class. So sum of product yani ki, uh, actually it is a sum, but the terms in it have products like A, B, C. Let me just write it. So SOP would look like this: A B bar C plus D E bar F plus F G H, and so on and so forth. And POS is opposite of that, or we can say it can look like A into B plus C plus D into E plus F plus G. So this is how. Okay. So what we are going to do is, and you must be knowing that these are called min terms, these are called max terms. Each term in SOP is called min term, and each term in POS is called max term. Okay. So after that, I guess we have seen De Morgan's theorem as well. De Morgan's theorem is very, very important. Even if we have seen that theorem in the last class, I would like to repeat it again since it is very important. So De Morgan's theorem is, let us suppose we have A, B, a whole bar, then we can split this term as A bar plus B bar. Or if we have A plus B whole bar, so we can split it like A bar into B bar, or E bar dot B bar. So that's how. So these two, these two are the things I think we have seen lastly in the last class. Okay. So the next topic is canonical form, or we can say standard form of SOP and POS. So it is also called as standard form, and it is also called as canonical form. So next topic is canonical form or standard form. So how do we convert a given expression into its standard form or its canonical form? So that we are going to see here. So let us suppose we have one equation: y is equals to a plus b plus c. Sorry, it should not be a plus b plus c. uh, Pardon, just a second. It should be y is a equation in a, b and c. So it has ab plus a, b bar, a, b, c bar, and lastly we have b bar. This is b bar. So we have to convert it into its standard form or canonical form. So what does exactly this means by? This means that the missing terms, like in the first term, if you can see, ab is there but c is not there. In the second term, all the terms are present. We don't need to do anything with that particular term. After that, the last term, that is b bar, we have to convert these term into its like it should contain a as well as c. So how we are going to deal with this? So simply in such cases, what we do is, this is SOP, isn't it? Sum of products. So AB is given, write it as it is. C is not present. We can write it like C plus C bar, and that doesn't change any meaning, right? If let us suppose C is 1, then C bar will be 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, and AB into 1 is AB itself. So it does not change its meaning, isn't it? So we can write AB is like this. Then after that, a b c bar should be as it is. We don't do anything with it. Then we have to add a and c terms. So write it as a plus a bar into b bar, and lastly we have to write c plus c bar. Okay, so that is being said. Now we have to expand this. This should be a b c. This should be a b c bar. Then we have again this a b c bar. Now now what we have to do? We have to, sorry, then we have plus a b bar c, and then a bar b bar c. A b bar c, a bar b bar c. Then we have to multiply with a b bar c is done. A bar b bar c is done. Then a b bar c, and lastly we have a bar b bar and c bar. So this is how we are going to multiply. Okay, if I go wrong somewhere, you can tell me. Okay, so there might be some terms repeated. We delete those terms, we ignore those terms. So here a b c bar is repeated twice, is it? First, second, then a b bar c is here also, here also. So we can take only one out of them, right? So what we have left with,
Sir, second last term A B bar C
okay,
is
second
wrong.
लास्ट, हाँ सेकंड लास्ट टर्म ए बी बार सी है, और यहाँ पे जो फोर्थ टर्म है ना, वो भी ए बी बार सी है, राइट?
Sir, second last term A B bar C bar येईल ना?
Okay, 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 great. Yeah, right, right. Sorry, my bad. Thank you for reminding. So it should be A, B bar, C bar. Correct. Okay, yeah, you're right, Shardul. So what is remaining? Only this term will cancel out. A, then A, B, C bar plus A, B bar, C plus A bar, B bar, C plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar. Please check once that is there any term which can be reduced from this. So I think is there any term which can be reduced? Please check and let me know. Okay, 7 is there, 5 is there. Okay, I guess that's it. That should be it. So we have all the terms, and it can be again written as Yeah, that is the standard form. We don't need to write anything else extra, is it? Okay, so that was the standard form of SOP. Now we will look standard form of POS. So we have one example here, that is A plus B bar into A B plus C bar. So it's very easy. It's nothing like we just have to add A B bar plus C into C bar, and then we have A plus B plus C bar. So it can be written as it should be now splitted: A plus B bar plus C, then A plus B bar plus C bar, and third term is A plus B, here should be plus C bar. So that's it. This is a standard form of POS. Now the next topic that we are going to see is simplification of Boolean expressions. So there are certain types or certain methods we can use for simplification. So let me just put the heading here. Okay, font should be a little bigger. Simplification of Boolean expression. Okay. So the first type or the first method we use is algebraic simplification. Then second one we have is K-map, and third one we have is Quinn-McCloskey method. So we will discuss a problem based on the first one, that is algebraic simplification. So algebraic simplification may how we can solve the problem, we'll see. Algebraic method. Okay, so the problem is y is a what we can say expression in A B C. Then we have A bar plus B into A plus B plus D into D bar. So we have to simplify this expression. So can you please give it a try and tell me? Take a moment, 1 or 2 minutes, and try solving it. Go for it and tell me the last answer. If you can solve it, if you can both solve it, then it would be a very great thing. Please don't use K-map and Quinn-McCloskey. If you know, I think you must be knowing K-map. K-map is a uh, very, what we can say, easy and popular thing in engineering. Okay, Raman has got it. B D bar. Okay. I hope Shardul also got it. Right, Shardul? Raman, did you got it with algebraic method or with any other different method? Algebraic method. Okay, that's great. Shardul, shall I solve it? Okay, I know you are also gonna get the answer. Okay, it's very simple, so I will solve it so that it would be written over here as well. So from where should we start? We have to start with this d bar. We can multiply this d bar with this bracket, so keep this bracket as it is, a bar plus b, then multiply this d bar with a, then we have a d bar plus b d bar, and then d d bar. So see, this d bar is nothing but 0. Let us suppose d is equals to 1, then d bar will be equal to 0, and 0 into 1 is 0. So anyway it is going to be 0. We won't write it. uh, so what we have, a bar plus b into a d bar plus b d bar, right? Then we have to multiply this. Now we have to multiply this bracket with this. So what we have, a bar into a d bar, so it becomes a bar a d bar plus a bar b d bar. Then we have to multiply this b with this bracket. We have a b d bar, and lastly we have b b d bar, right? Anything else rather than this? I hope not. Okay, so see again here, a bar is present here, so it is, this complete term is going to be 0, and this b b bar is there, so that's why, sorry, it's b into b is there, so that means it is gonna be b only. मतलब b into b, 0 0 है तो 0 ही रहेगा, 1 1 है तो 1 ही रहेगा. So we won't write the first term. So what is remaining? We have a bar b d bar and plus a b d bar plus b d bar, right? So this is what we have now. Now what we can do is, we can take this b d bar common from these two terms. So see how it looks like. Then we have a bar b d bar plus a plus 1 into b d bar. See, a into b d bar is a b d bar, 1 into b d bar is b d bar itself. So 1 plus a is what? 1 plus a is 1 itself. Let us suppose a is equals to 1. Then 1 plus 1. In Boolean algebra, we have 1 plus 1 is equals to 1, I guess, right? Then 0 plus 1 is 1 only, isn't it? So that's why a plus 1 is going to be 1 anyways. So that's why we can write 1 here and it would become b d bar. Okay, so a bar b d bar plus b d bar. I hope you get it, Shardul, right? A plus 1 is equals to, हमने कैसे उसे 1 लिखा तो. Okay, so after that again we can take b d bar common here. Take b d bar common here. It would have a bar plus 1 and b d bar. Again a bar plus 1 is also 1. A what ए बार की वैल्यू कुछ भी रह सकती है, 1 रह सकती है, 0 रह सकती है, बट इट डजेंट मैटर. 1 plus 1 is also 1 and 0 plus 1 is also 1. So this would again become 1, and lastly we have is bt bar. Okay, so that's the final answer. One more thing, guys, I just wanted to ask you, like I was super busy, that's why I couldn't be in touch with you, or we couldn't take classes. Have you filled the exam form for this year? I think maybe Raman is not eligible, but Shardul is. Shardul, did you fill? Okay, you fill the exam form, right? Okay, great. Raman is not eligible. Raman will be eligible next year, I guess. Right? No, right, Raman? You will be applying for a GATE 2023. Yeah, great. Okay. So yeah, that was the algebraic method. So what we have applied in this algebraic method is none other than the formulas that I have given you in the last class. Okay, and you might be having it as well. So yeah, we have to apply basic things everywhere, like in the gate examination as well. Okay, so the next thing we have is K-map, or it is also called as broadly Karnov map. So just a second, what's happening? I don't know. Okay, yeah. So second method we have is Karnov Map Simplification. सो कार्नॉफ मैप के मैप जो है वो दो वेरिएबल का भी होता है, तीन वेरिएबल का भी होता है, चार का भी होता है, एंड फाइव वेरिएबल, चार वेरिएबल के बाद में पांच वेरिएबल का भी के मैप होता है, बट वी डोंट हैव टू डील विथ फाइव वेरिएबल के मैप। लाइक आई हैवंट डेल्ट विथ, मतलब मैंने कभी भी फाइव वेरिएबल के मैप का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं किया है। सो टिल फोर्थ वी आर गोना डिस्कस। Okay, so a two variable K map will look like this. I hope you must be knowing this, but we are just brushing up the things, so that's why I'm putting it here. So let us suppose it is A, B, 0, 1, 0, 1. So it should be 0, 1, 2, 3. So I write in this style. Okay, so not, it is not needed that you should write it as like this also. Okay, कोई कोई होते हैं मतलब some people write A here, B here, so they change the things, but when you change A and B you have to change accordingly all the things as well. Okay, so जो technique हमें आती है, so we have to that follow that technique. Okay, so this is two variable K map. देन वी हैव थ्री वेरिएबल के मैप। अभी थ्री वेरिएबल के मैप में ड्रॉ करता हूँ हॉरिजॉन्टली, कुछ लोग वर्टिकली ड्रॉ करते हैं, सो आई प्रेफर दिस। सो यू कैन प्रेफर व्हाट यू थिंक इज useful for you. So AB I would write here, C I would write here, 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. So accordingly we'll give numbering 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this is three variable K map. Actually we don't need to remember these numbers, right? मतलब ये जो अंदर नंबर लिखे हैं, we can find it as well. Correct or wrong? Is it? Just a second. Yeah, 0 1. Maybe we are, maybe I'm writing it in a wrong way. Just a moment. Was it correct? I'm not sure it was correct. Okay, it was correct. Fine. So that was three variable K map. Okay, so now the last one we have is four variable K map. Let me just write it, four variable K map here. So AB is going to be here, and CD is going to be here. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, so we are going to remember this only. C can be the MSB. Okay, great. Yeah, fine. ठीक है. So this is the four variable K map, guys. and I don't need to elaborate more about K-map because I think you have solved a lot of questions based on K-map. So I'm just gonna give you one K-map question and you are gonna solve it. Okay, so we have a three variable K-map question. Please solve it. Example, I would give you y is a expression in a b c, and it is a b plus a c bar plus a bar b c bar. Solve it with the help of three variable K-map. Can you solve it? Please try it. Please give it a try and solve it. Okay, trying. Great. So, Shardul, if you're trying, that's good. If you're not trying, one more thing I would like to tell you is please try and convert this into its standard form. Before we solve the equation or expression, we have to convert it into its standard form and then we have to apply the K-map thing. ओके, सो सबसे पहले हम इसे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते कर देते हैं. रमन, यू प्लीज कीप ट्राइंग. myself and शार्दुल विल डिस्कस दिस. ओके, सो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए शार्दुल हम क्या करेंगे, इसे ए बी को हम सी प्लस सी बार से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. देन इस ए सी बार को हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इट इज ए सी बार. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ व्हाट? शार्दुल, कैन यू टेल मी? It should be multiplied with b plus b bar. Yeah, b plus b bar. Great. So a into b plus b bar into c bar plus a bar b bar c. So what we have? We have a b c plus a b c bar plus a b c bar plus a b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c. So these two terms are repeated, I guess. So we'll write it once only. So it is a b c plus a b c bar plus a b c bar plus a bar b bar c. Shardul or Raman, please let me know if it is correct or wrong. Okay, so Raman has got to the answer as well. Mhm. Okay, correct. Okay, great. So yeah, I just needed that confirmation. So I will draw the three variable K map here, and I don't believe on that numbering thing. I trust on these naming system. So if I take A, B, C like this is B, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So first term we have is A, B, C. So I guess I have to select this. Then we have A, B, C bar. So A, B, C bar should be this, I guess. A, B, C bar, correct. Then we have A, B bar, C. So I think this should be the column we have to select. And lastly, we have, I guess, this A, B bar, C. Raman, yeah, please keep eye on it. Okay. So after that, we have to group it. Correct. So, sorry, Shardul, go ahead and group it and then tell me the answer.
Last one is A bar B bar C bar, I think.
Is it so? Okay. Uh, नो रमन, इन द क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ वी डोंट हैव सी बार ना। यहाँ पे लास्ट वाला जो है ए बार बी बार सी है, यहाँ पे भी ए बार बी बार सी है। तो हमने सारे
Understand, sir.
आई थिंक इट इज करेक्ट, इज
Yes,
इट?
yes, sir.
या ओके। सो शार्दुल ट्राई करो, रमन तुम भी ट्राई करो। आई थिंक तुमने जो सॉल्व किया है मे बी गलत हो गया है, यू टुक इट फॉर मिस्टेक, नो प्रॉब्लम,
Yes,
हैपन सम टाइम। या सो जब भी हम ग्रुप बनाते हैं, सो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट द ग्रुप्स शुड बी एज व्हाट वी कैन से एज बिग एज पॉसिबल। मतलब 8 का ग्रुप बन सकता है तो वो बनाना है, उसके बाद में 4 का बनाना है, उसके बाद में 2 का बनाना है, उसके बाद में 1 का बनाना है। वी डोंट मेक ग्रुप्स ऑफ 6, 3, 5 दीज नंबर्स, 8, 4, 2 और 1। ओके, सो यहाँ पे जो ग्रुप बन सकता है, we can form this group. Okay, I'll use a different marker here. This is a one group, or this is a pair. Then this cannot be clubbed with anything, right? And I guess this can be clubbed with this, right? So write the equation now. Equation would be, equation for this is c will get cancelled, c bar will get cancelled, so it would be ab plus, for this we have a bar b bar c, and for this one I guess what would be cancelled, b would be cancelled I guess, so it should be a c bar. So this is the answer I am getting. Please check once if you are getting the same as well, right? So this looks quite weird answer, but that, yeah, same answer, fine. So this looks quite weird answer, but we have to take it because this was the random question that I took. Okay, I didn't pick it from any book or something like that. Okay, so similarly in the um, POS form, product of sum form, what we do is instead of taking 1 we take zeros for max terms, right? So थोड़ा सा चेंज होता है, मतलब इसके हम थोड़ा सा उल्टा करते हैं। एंड वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट पेयरिंग के लिए हमें हमेशा we have to make sure that pairing should be in either pair, क्वाड और ऑक्टेट। ओके, सो हम 6 का पेयर नहीं कर सकते, 3 का पेयर नहीं कर सकते, so these things must be taken into the consideration. So there is one more thing called don't care condition. Don't care condition is there. So let me just take one example of don't care condition. We have a 4 variable k map now, a b c d, and summation of min terms is 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, and then don't care about 5 and 7. So quickly try and solve this question. I will also solve it with you. So it is a, since it is a 4 variable k map, firstly we will draw a 4 variable k map here. Then write the naming system, that is a b c d 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So first term we have to mark is 0, तो यहाँ पे 0 के कॉलम में मैं 0 लिखूंगा. Now we have 1, right? So 1 should be written here. Then we have 2, 2 should be written here. Then we have 4, so I guess 4 is written here, 0 1 0 0. Then we have 8, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8 should be written here. Then we have 8 9 10 should be written here, and don't care about 5 and 7, so 5 should be here. So I will write don't care as this cross, and 7 should be again here. So this is how my K map looks like, and I hope it is same for everyone. Yeah, same. Did you draw the K map? ऐसा ही आपका K map भी ऐसा ही दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. So now we can form an octet here, right? अभी यहाँ पे sorry octet नहीं, quad. So यह एक quad हुआ, and then we can club this also. This is the one, this is second, third, and fourth. Don't care about this. This doesn't fits anywhere, so leave it as it is. Now यहाँ पे क्या कट होगा हमारा? C, A bar would be there, I guess. A bar would be there, and here C bar would be there. A bar, C bar, right? Then plus, write your answers as well, okay? A bar, C bar plus, अभी ये जो फोर्थ वाला सॉरी सेकंड वाला है, इसमें क्या क्या कटेगा और क्या क्या बचेगा ये लिखो जरा सा. यहाँ पे ए बचेगा आई गेस, एंड ओके, ए बार कट जाएगा. राइट इट. जो सेकंड वाला जो क्वाड हमने बनाया है उसमें क्या रहेगा? बी बार डी बार, इज इट? Is it guys B bar D bar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So that's what I was waiting for. So this is our final answer. No, A should not be there, I guess, Shardul. A should not be there because see, हम second chord के लिए solve कर रहे हैं ना. So this zero will cancel out this one A, right? तो यहाँ पे A नहीं रहेगा, सिर्फ B रहेगा, sorry B bar रहेगा, and we will have D bar. Okay, so this is how, yeah, great. So the last thing or the last method, that was Queen Maklowski method, but I'm not sure whether this, like whether the time would allow us to go for it or not. Okay, so solve one more question of this particular topic only, and we can stop for today, and then we can see the remaining topics maybe next time. Tomorrow, okay, tomorrow we have a control system class. Please don't miss it. We are gonna discuss about polar plots and Nyquist plots. So yeah, take the question. So we have function of a b c d as summation of min terms, that is 1 3 7 11 15, and don't care about 0 2 and 5. Solve it and let me know the answer. Okay, I hope you are solving. And once you're done with it, please let me know that whether should we take Queen Maklowski today only or in the next class, as per your convenience, whatever you say. Today or next, just put in the chat box today or in the next class. Queen Maklowski method, because it is gonna take some time, maybe 10-15 minutes or maybe more than that. Today, next. Okay, both votes are next, so no problem. Next class, fine. So are you done with this question? Okay, so I hope you are inching closer to your answer. So I won't spoil your party, but I will solve it here. A, B, C, D. One goes here. 0, 1, 2, 3 goes here. 4, 5, 6, 7 is here. 8, 9, 10, 11 is here. 12, 13, 14, 15 is here. Then we have 0 as a don't care. Maybe 0, 1, 2. 2 is also a don't care here. And lastly, which one? 5. Okay. So this is one quad for sure. And then, okay, A, B bar. Okay, wait. So we can, guys, we can make this quad also and this quad also. Okay, so ये जो हमने ये quad भी हम बना सकते हैं. But I would recommend you to not go for it. Go for this. Why go for this? Because it has only one don't care, and the one you are making in the upper side, it would have two don't cares. So it is always better that you go with less don't cares. Okay. So I hope, Raman, you have gone with the upper thing. So that's why maybe your answer is slightly differing than mine. Uh, have you solved like this only? Take this quad. Okay. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा ये सब 0001 1011. Sorry, it is not like that. It is 1110. 0001 1110. Okay, so from this, what would cut and what would remain? Everything would be cut and only CD will be here remaining. CD. Then we have A bar, and from here we have B. Raman, I am getting answer CD plus A bar B. You have typed the answer as, or is it D? No, yeah, it's D, not B. Okay, correct. It's D. Yeah, you have not taken. So Raman, your answer is slightly different. Shardul has got the correct answer, uh, same as me. So okay. So guys, today like there was real technical problem. I don't know what exactly happened to my PC, so that's why I was not able to join it. But I'll take care of these things from next time, that this won't happens again. And we are gonna have a lot of classes in the upcoming months, because we have very less time. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, good night, take care. Okay, yeah. Yeah, Shardul, welcome. Bye.